Hello guys, good evening. Guys, I am going to explain this hitapp, the attribute list creation with complex objects. So basically this hitapp is about big data, but you don't need to think about big data or the ins and outs of big data. That is a computer science topic. But yes, big data, from the name you can understand that the data is nowadays is very huge because people are creating more data, more videos. Okay, so the management of this data is very crucial, and the next decade or the future, the new oil of the future is not oil, it is data, specifically the big data. So basically this heat app is about is related with big data. My name is Joy Dasgupta. I have IBM certification regarding big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence. You can check my LinkedIn. Okay, so guys, you people are not subscribing. Why, I don't know, but what is the issue? Please specify in the comment section. So please subscribe, and now let's get started. So few times back, the UHRS is populated with various heat apps, and one of the heat apps is this attribute list. So I am simplifying this heat app for your better understanding. But before jump to the ocean of this information of heat apps, I am going to clarify certain terms because it will help you to understand the heat app. Why this heat app is here? Basically the heat app is here to create structured data from unstructured data. So what is structured data? Why is unstructured data? And why this heat app tries to convert the unstructured data to structured data? Why this kind of job is necessary, and why it is, how it is, you can say that it is related to artificial intelligence. Because as you know that UHRS and your company Microsoft and Clickworker all are providing AI training data. Clickworker providing AI training data to Microsoft and various other vendors also. So how this is related to AI, and what is structured and unstructured data? You can see that structured data is kind of a tabular data or listed data, like your grocery list. You can see this is a table. Okay, so this is structured data where the data is organized in a certain format, in a certain structure. On the other hand, if you put your data in email, or you are writing a book, you are writing an article on your blog, or you are writing content within web pages, these are monolithic data. There is no structure. You are just writing the article, but you are not imposing any structure into it. Okay, so this is unstructured data. Now the second question is that why it is necessary, why this type of indexing is necessary. Indexing means to convert the unstructured web pages into the structured format or into the tabular format. So this is a picture of a Google crawler. It is an artistic expression of Google crawler. It is not like that. It is some bit something looks weird, isn't it? That some kind of spider or insects which is crawling over this web page of Google. So basically the idea is like this. These are the bots, these are the crawlers which accumulate information from the internet. Whenever you search anything on internet, you find micro answers, you find quick answer, you find relevant information, you find direct contact information, you find email address from the corporate website without visiting the corporate website. How is it possible? You are not visiting those web pages, but you can directly see the contact number, see the email. So some bots, crawlers, are crawling all over the internet to accumulate data in a structured format. They are indexing. They are indexing those unstructured data scattered over the internet into a tabular format. But sometimes, because AI is not mature enough, so human intervention is necessary. So you are here because your brain, your human brain is necessary here to accumulate the information, make it into the tabular format, and help these crawlers of Bing and Google. That's why you are working on this hitapp, and that is the objective of this hitapp. Okay, if you have any question regarding this or any further details, you can research by yourself from Google or Bing. Okay, and you can also specify your question in the comment section. I will answer it.